Hatfield with the rebound, a loose ball foul here. Laban kay Sonny Toss.
You know, that matchup of LA Tenorio against J.K. Hildebrand, hirap na hirap si Hildebrand. I don't think he's got the quickness to keep in step with LA Tenorio.
Brandon Cablay will sit down, and Cyrus Baguio is back in the ball game. Mark Caguioa also back on the floor para sa Ginebra. Pinilitan si Willie Miller, who has struggled so far. Nice pass. Hatfield couldn't finish. Ito na si Baguio. Joining Borboran, Tenorio, De La Cruz, and Sonny Toss. Here's Borboran. Caguioa, he's running. Caguioa loses the ball.
Caguioa's going to go to the line.
Referee Art Herrera spotting a foul there.
When you look at the lineup on the floor here for Coach Joseph Huichico, he's got the fast, the furious, and the fearless. That's the combination that has been a trademark for Barangay Ginebra ever since. And right now, when the pressure is on, back against the wall, it's a do-or-die game. They're going with Hildebrand, Caguioa, and Tubid.
I mean, this is not the tallest unit that Jong Huichico could field. But he has Hatfield and Wilson manning the front line. This is a running unit on the floor para sa Ginebra.
And this is a unit that waves the flag with the theme, small is beautiful.
I love it. Now here's Tenorio to the Vance with that size advantage over Willie Wilson. Shot clock down to 13. 10 puntos ang abante ng Alaska. Ito na si Baguio. Baguio trying to create a fall away. A top shot. Rebound para kay Hatfield.
Oh, what defense there by Tubid.
Tubid, he's thinking about it. Pero babalik muna niya kay Hildebrand. Shot clock down to 12. Willie Wilson has been the man of the moment para sa Ginebra. Here's Hildebrand. He fakes. Hildebrand to Caguioa. Caguioa over to Tubid. Tubid from the corner.
Oh, you talk about patience. Barangay Ginebra moving that ball around to find the open man. But credit Tubid. He went from one corner to the other to find the open spot.
It's just a 7-point ball game para
This is
sa Alaska.
20.
The foul call downstairs. Now kay referee Mau Maurilio. And this Christmas Day crowd is now part of this ball game.
And take a look at this move here. Mark Caguioa finding Tubid wide open. He had to come all the way from the other corner, finding his spot wide open on the other corner and drilling it in.
And now Tim Cone goes back to his triple power combination with Toss, Eman, and Devance. Now here's LA Tenorio, no go, rebound Hildebrand. Hildebrand ironically has been the spark. Here's Tubid, hang time!
And the noise is deafening at the Cuneta Astrodome.
Just a 5-point lead, and Cyrus Baguio says, oh, I thought he could silence this crowd. Here comes Hildebrand. You know, ever since Hildebrand entered this game, things have changed. Tubid for 3. Yes, sir!
Unbelievable run. And there's Ronald Tubid. He's pointing at something on his chest. He's fearless. What was once a 20-point lead by Alaska has been reduced to just 2.
Well, we're inside a Handy Fix 30-second timeout brought to you by Handy Fix ang first aid ng bahay mo. Bonzol and Sealzol. You're not watching a different game. This is still the same game you were watching earlier. 20 points ang lamang ng Alaska. They were totally in control. And then Hildebrand comes in. And as you mentioned, Mr. Fearless, Mr. Fast, Mr. Furious. All joined forces along with Willie Wilson and Rudy Hatfield. And Ginebra is back in this ball game.
You know, one thing about Coach Joseph Huichico, he will take advantage of whatever laps the opposing team gives you. And at that stage when Alaska had 5 second unit players on the floor, that's when they made their surge. And you take a look at the pace that Barangay Ginebra is now hitting this ball.
Almost a turnover. Bola pa rin ng Alaska. Here's Tenorio. Tenorio trying to set up Baguio. Shot clock down to 4. Baguio on the move. Binulsa muna yung bola. Then goes in and he missed it. And here's Mark Kagiwa. Ginebra can tie the ball game. They can even go for the lead. Helterbrand for the lead. No go. And Baguio loses that ball. The great hustle by JJ Helterbrand. But he traveled. Babalik ang bola sa Alaska. And Helterbrand, siyempre, monitored pa rin yung minuto ni JJ Helterbrand and not playing the first 2 games of this series.
You don't want to extend his minutes too much. But he did his part. He provided the leadership. I doubted his quickness, but I thought he played enough quickness to be able to spark a couple of transition attacks.
Here's Joe Devance. Nice hesitation move.
Yung sinasabi natin kanina, Nico, about Ginebra needing to play the tough defense to get back in this game. What about the field goal percentage of Alaska in this quarter? Alaska 1 out of 14. That's 7% shooting from the floor. And there's only one explanation for that, Ginebra's defense.
Okay, Dominic, I'm pretty sure Tim Cone iba na ang tono ng huddle ng Alaska ngayon. Dominic, go ahead.
Well, that 30-second timeout, Coach Tim Cone reminding us, boys, guys, we need to be calm. In the first quarter, they weren't making their shots. Now they are. Now we just need to weather the storm. And how do we do it? Get good shots and move the ball.
Well, they've got the good shots. They're just not making it. Here's Kagiwa. Mark Kagiwa with 4 points. And Ginebra has tied this ball game at 36.
And what a move by Mark Kagiwa. Did you see the way he moved in? He faked with the shoulder, trying to get LA Tenorio's attention distracted. You watch it here. You watch a little bit of a fake right there. A head and shoulder move, and then went straight up for the shot. LA Tenorio didn't know what hit him.
Okay, back inside the Cuneta Astrodome for our Phoenix drive of the game. It features Mark Kagiwa. Mr. Furious can also be Mr. Fancy.
Yeah.
Fancy move by Mark Kagiwa.
A nice hesitation move. And that's to just draw off the attention of LA Tenorio. And paid off handsome dividends. That was a wide open layup against a defender whom I thought had primary defensive position. Unbelievable move by Mark Kagiwa on the break.
So tuloy action dito sa second quarter. Tabla na po tayo, 36-all, and another close miss. And Eman will go to the free throw line. 20 points ang binura ng Ginebra. I mean, they were just out of it in that opening quarter.
A player on the floor.
Stupid.
I don't know if he's hurt or just resting, but he's got a smile on his face.
So he's
I
fine.
don't think he's hurt.
He's fine.
He wasn't even wincing.
Alam mo si Tubig gusto niya pakalat-kalat sa floor. Kaya gusto niya eh.
Flair for the dramatic. Well, 19-2 this quarter so far. At ang Alaska has only been able to get 2 points from LA Tenorio. At now masusubukan si Sam Eman. Once played for San Miguel. 6'9", solid player. Oh, nice shot. Solid in terms of his physique and his presence. But you know, whether he can translate that presence into points and rebounds, that's his challenge.
Well, one free throw by Eman is enough to push Alaska ahead anew. 37-36, under 3 minutes to go in a frenetic second quarter.
I'll tell you, with Barangay Ginebra, oh, that's a looping shot. Not the kind of shot that Rudy Hatfield wanted. But if you're Ginebra, you have to be happy with this result so far. They're down by 1, and Willie Miller has done absolutely nothing for the Kings.
His toss. Sonny fires and gets that gentle roll. 6 points para kay Sonny Toss. So back to the 3-point lead para sa Alaska, 39-36 as we approach the last 2 minutes of the first half. Here's Tubit. Cortez back to Tubit. Tubit for 3. Tubit, no go. And here's swipe by Mike Cortez. The referee Art Herrera calls a foul in the backcourt.
Foul number 21, Mike Cortez.
Third person na laban kay Mike Cortez. Here's that sneaky move by the cool cap. He tried to do that to the boss and not get called for a foul.
And by the way, Willie Wilson is back in the game. Napansin ni Coach Joseph Ujico na medyo lumaylay yung depensa ng Barangay Ginebra with Wilson sitting down. So he's back on the floor right now. Here's LA Tenorio saying it was a flop. But that's Tubit's game. You watch it right here.
You know, for a player to say or to argue that Ronald is flopping is like saying Santa is chubby. That's just stating the obvious. Bola ngayon na kay Intan. And now Cortez. Cortez for 3. Still a 3-point game para sa Alaska. 1:20 remaining in the second quarter. That won't work para kay Baguio. It's Mark Kagiwa with no rebounders. And no success that time.
Now Alaska slowing down the tempo of this game. There's less than a minute to go. They want to play it deliberate. That's the style of Alaska. They don't want to get involved in a running game against the Barangay Ginebra.
What a running shot by Tenorio. Eli Tenorio already with 14 points. So balik sa lima ang kabante ng Alaska, 41-36. And we're inside a Handy Fix 30-second timeout brought to you by Handy Fix. Ang first aid ng bahay mo, bonds all and seals all. Babalik ni Coach Jong si JJ Helterbrand.
Well, it looks like he was happy with the performance of JJ Helterbrand in bringing some kind of stability and direction in the offense and the defense of Barangay Ginebra.
Ginebra, their offense shutting down in the last 2.5 minutes. You see our Christmas Day crowd inside the Cuneta Astrodome. Luis Alfred Tenorio. And some Elasto painters in the house. Gabe Norwood and Sol Mercado spending their Christmas Day watching this do-or-die showdown. Here's Intal. Here's Helterbrand. No. Straight but short. Bola pa rin ng Ginebra. Here's Kagiwa. No. And Eman gets the rebound and says, "Get away from me." 12 seconds remaining in the half. Whatever happens, Alaska will have the lead at halftime. 7 seconds remaining, and I think Ginebra had a foul to give.
That's right, not getting the penalty. 6.6 seconds to go.
So Alaska can write the last sentence of the second chapter. 5 seconds remaining, bola na kay Tenorio. Tenorio for 3. Oh, way off. Well, 0.8 of a second remaining, enough for a catch and shoot here. There's the catch and the shot. Pero pagkapat lamang pa rin ang Alaska dito, Ginebra should be very happy that they are back in this ball game after trailing by as many as 20 points. And they were so out of it in that opening quarter. It was so quiet inside the Cuneta Astrodome, but things have changed in a hurry dito sa ating do-or-die ball game. What a comeback by Ginebra, though.
Oh, tremendous comeback by Barangay Ginebra. Couldn't ask anything more. And they leveled the count at 36 all with tough defense at a time when they had something like a 9